Hello, welcome back. I'm Miriam, and this week I'm going to take you along with me as I discover how to use Valor. I've never used Valor before. I got this as a freebie, and I'm taking you along with me. So the first thing I'm going to do is uncap the bottle and smell it. Okay, the first notes that I get is like a floral. It smells interesting. Wow. It smells sweet and fruity and like floral at the same time. So this one has in it black spruce, camphor, blue tansy, frankincense, and geranium oils.
Okay, can you see how blue this oil is? The focus is there. See, it's like stained blue, the cap.
The first way that I'm going to use this oil is by just applying some of it to the inside of my wrists. I read that dilution is not required for this oil except on the most sensitive skin. Okay, now that I've put it on my wrist, I can definitely smell the frankincense in it. And still like those floral notes. Like when it was in the bottle, I almost wanted to taste it. I mean, not that I am going to taste it, but it almost, the way it smelled made me think of like tasting it. But now, yeah, it smells different on my skin, warm. I don't smell like the sweetness. I just smell more the floral parts. I'm guessing the geranium and definitely the frankincense as well. So today I'm going to be diffusing Valor. So anyway, I like to always, the first time that I diffuse an oil, use very little of it because you don't know how overpowering it's going to be. So I'm just going to do 2 drops in there. Isn't that cool? Like the blue tansy gives it a blue tinge. Anyway, I think it's really pretty. I'm guessing that it might stain. I don't know, the blue tansy. But anyway, I'm going to diffuse these 2 drops and see how I like diffusing Valor. So I've been using Valor this week. I've been diffusing it quite a bit. I really enjoy the sweet and floral notes along with that like grounding smell of frankincense. So I've diffused it during the day. I've also diffused it at night. I found that the night that I diffused it, I slept really good and I had dreams. Of course, I will sometimes dream even without diffusing Valor, of course. So anyway, I don't always diffuse while I sleep, but I've been trying to diffuse more while I sleep or while my kids sleep. So anyway, I suggest that you try Valor and let me know what you think about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.